Okay, so we're speaking about the equipment room here. So when a client wants all the bells and whistles, what are we going to need? So if somebody wants in-floor cleaning, they want a Remco cover, they want a spa, a lot of that comes with a lot of equipment. So to do so, we need an equipment room, and that equipment room needs to be air vented, especially we've got heaters, all the bells and whistles. Here at North Avoca, we have all of that. So we're gonna go in and have a look at the equipment room and discuss why we need all of these things that we have. So as you come into our equipment room, you'll notice that it's air rated, and that's with this, again, vertical batten aluminium that we've used throughout the property. Here, we've got 2 heaters. So these are very large heaters, but what they're going to do for our customer is allow them to heat their pool separately to their spa. So if they want to run the cycle of their spa on its own and the heater on their own, they're allowed to do that. They can remotely access it from anywhere in Sydney or wherever, turn it on. If they're coming up for their holiday home, by the time they get here, that body of water is all functional and operational. So here we've also got our freshwater systems, we've got an automation system, we've got all of our in-floor cleaning heads and processes and pumps that we need for that there. Over here we have our freshwater system again and our filtration units. So you can see we're almost talking about a 2.5 to 3 metre wide by 8 metre long room that we specifically need for an equipment room. Don't get me wrong, we could have made this one a little bit more compacted, but given that we have the space on this 2,000 square metre property, that is the reason that we've given them a little bit space inside of here. None of this is encroaching on their property. It's a really good use of space for them.